friends, welcome back. Hey, today I'm showing you some foils, and this one is tie-dye looking. So if you've never tried this before, it's actually kind of fun. I have already taken off the gel polish, and now I am getting the lifted parts and using this diamond bit for it kind of just works just like a hand file, so it smooths everything out, makes it all nice and shaped well. I will take a hand file on top of this to refine it, but now I'm putting on the gel polish. This would be actually hard gel, just filling it in because she needed a fill. She chose this beautiful foil that is sunset, blues, purples, greens, oranges, reds. So it's just a mix of everything that she wanted. Foils are pretty cheap, so it's kind of nice to have a product that you can have it in bulk and use it on a lot of clients. So that's always nice. So here is the hard gel still, and I'm just refining as I go. I'm just getting off the dead skin as I go. Whatever I spot, I just get. And this is a fill, and with art, so it will, need to be a faster service. So I'm just trying to work quite quickly and fill in anything that I have taken off with this hard gel. Underneath is acrylic, and I guess this is just called a hybrid nail because it's acrylic on the bottom and hard gel on top. So anyways, if you haven't heard that before, that's always a good thing to know, and just kind of you get the best of both worlds of acrylic and hard gel. All right, so this is the transfer foils gel. You put this on first. You want to make sure you coat it well, that you don't do too thin of coat because it doesn't work well if you don't. Put it in the light for 30 seconds. I would only do 2 fingers at a time. I did a lot more fingers, and I decided that 2 fingers at a time is just fine and dandy. Otherwise, it just doesn't stick right for some reason. So I'm just getting all of them with that transfer foil gel, and I got this Daily Charm. So I got this and a matte top coat with Daily Charm, and I could have done this matte, and it would look really cool actually, now that I think about it, but I did a top coat that was just glossy. But yeah, you just want to make sure it's really smooth because you want that application of foil to be really, really smooth. All right, so here is the foil, and I'm just cutting a small piece off so it will fit on the finger. I actually use two or 3 uses out of this one foil. So this is kind of like the purple nail that we're doing right now. And then this one is a different color. So we're just kind of doing different colors on each nail. And it just turned out so cute. But yeah, I'm rubbing and dabbing and holding my finger on there, scrubbing it on until it finally adheres. Like I said, just do a couple of nails at a time because it doesn't get all the way on like you want it to. This was kind of a green and a little bit of purple in it. This one's like the pink color, and just press down and make sure you press down on all over the nail. I hope you guys have all subscribed and joined my tribe so you don't miss a video. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, go for it. There's lots of art, there's lots of how-tos, watch me works, so don't miss out on all the fun. You just want to go over any spots that you've missed, go over twice or 3 times, whatever you need to do to make it a finished nice look, and refine it. I will put the link below. I'm sure I got these off Amazon. I will try and find that link, and it comes with all sorts of different colors. Next, I am doing the acetone all around the nail cuticle area, because when you do this, it somehow gets all over the cuticle, and so you want to make sure you get it rounded and just nice looking and cleaned up. In case you're wondering, I have the cheetah foils on, and these turned out way cute. It is a different set, but I will put that link down below also, so you guys can snag that, because this is a super cute set. Okay, ready for the top coat. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This set was super easy once you get the hang of foils. Yes, it takes a little bit of time to get used to anything like stamping, chrome, foils, whatever, glitter. You are going to have a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get it, and it's awesome, and it makes your clients' nails, your nails, awesome. Here we are cleansing, getting off the inhibition layer and putting on that peach, wonderful smelling cuticle oil from Tammy Taylor, and making the pictures, getting them all ready, and here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love y'all. Bye.